everyone. My name is Karamjeet and I am registered massage therapist, or in short known as RMT, as you can see here. I have 2 years experience in the same field. As you all know, like RMT is a highly paid, very good profession nowadays in Canada. I have brought this topic, how to set up a business. There are various ways to set up a business. First one is multidisciplinary clinic, in which different health professionals join together, and that is the most expensive clinic. It costs you about $100,000. The different professions like physiotherapist, counselor, kinesiologist, or physiotherapist. And then next one is only RMT clinic. So 2 or 3 RMTs join together as a partner and bring this clinic up. It gives only massage services. And third one is home-based business. My main focus today is home-based business, because starters like you can also open a business at home, because it's very less expensive. Because the second one, only RMT, also costs you about $50,000, and this one will be around 5 to 6 thousand, not that expensive. So how to open a business, how to set up a business? First thing is we should think about 3 names, and CMTBC has a certain criteria we need to follow to get this done. So there are 4 names. This one: massage therapy, massage therapist, registered massage practitioner, and registered massage therapist. At least one out of these 4 names should be there in the name. So for example, you want to keep a name of a clinic as Medic Clinic. So you cannot keep as Medic Clinic. You should and must have at least one of these 4. So Medic Massage Therapy Clinic. That is the first one. And second one is, this same name should not be there in the entire Canada. So Medic Massage Therapy Clinic should not be identical or resemble any other name in Canada. And third one is, it should not be offensive on public grounds. And how to register this? You just click www.bcnro, which means British Columbia Name Registry Online. It hardly takes 5 minutes. Very easy. They have given a certain steps to follow, and it will take just 5 minutes to register. After you register, there will be like 8 to 13 days for the approval to get back. It will cost you about $31.50. If you want within like 24 hours, you can pay extra fees of $100. You will get it within like 24 hours. After the approval from after you get registered name, you need to take approval from CMTBC. CMTBC is the association head of RMT, so you need to get the consent to use the same business name, but that should be done within 56 days of registered name. If you go over, then you will have to start the process all over again. And then after you get consent, next thing is incorporating the company. First of all, what does incorporation means? Incorporation means when you open a clinic, if you are giving massage and suddenly something goes wrong and some patient sues you. Once they sue you, if you are incorporated, they cannot touch your private property. They can only take away your business. The lawyers can attack your business, nothing else. So and it can be done all online. Next is like some people get confused between what is the difference between limited, corporation, or incorporation. It means all the same. Like nobody has the right to touch your private property. So when you registered for incorporation, it will cost you about $350, and it's all one-time cost. And next, after you get consent, there are 2 things. If the business is a partnership, no further steps are required. But if the business is a company, you must register for health profession corporation permit. This is very important for the health professionals like us. There are 3 documents you need to submit to CMTBC at info@cmtbc.ca. So what are these forms? First of all, you need to have health profession corporation form. So this form is available at the CMTBC website. And next form is incorporation. We have registered for incorporation. We have that certificate. So that one. And the last one is certificate of solicitor. So this certificate of solicitor is, you need to get signed from a lawyer. It's a legal document. All these documents we can just fill them up, get signed, and then send to info@cmtbc. And after approvals, if the permission is granted, then we will have to pay $250, and then CMTBC will send you a copy of a health profession corporation permit. And after all these steps, last one is you need to contact your city. It depends which city you're planning to open the business. If it is city of Surrey or city of Burnaby, accordingly you can register. I know it's overwhelming since I'm talking first time, but it's not too hard. So there are 5 steps you need to follow. First one, think of about the name and register for the name, and then you need to take consent from CMTBC to use the same name, and incorporate. Next one is incorporate your company, and then is you take permission from a health permit, and then last one is you take permission from the city business license. So that's a license, you need to contact them. I hope you guys understand. And starting expenses, it's not too expensive. See, equipments and supplies cost you about $2,000. It is the most money you are putting into it, because you are saving a lot of rent. See, you don't have to pay rent because you are doing your services at home. So these supplies cost you about 50%, about 2,000, not that expensive. And marketing, of course, we need to do marketing, otherwise our business will not grow. So marketing, this is a marketing, this green one on the pie graph, as you all can see. This will cost 25% cost you, and then this one is approval expenses. So all these expenses are added here. So 25% you will spend on the expenses. This is naturally you have to spend. You can avoid marketing if you want. You will spend less. It's all, if you calculate everything, it will be about 4,000 to 5,000. Not that expensive. Do you guys have any questions for me? If at all you have any questions, later on you can always welcome to email me at karamjitkaur@gmail.com for further clarification. If you have any questions, I will always try to reply email as early as possible. Thank you for having me. Thank you for listening.